Hello, welcome back again to another episode of SCADA 123. Today we're going to be talking about Python polynomial regression. We're going to take advantage of Python's pandas, matplotlib, and sklearn that make it quite simple and hopefully easier for you to do. Now, what you need is your polynomial data in a CSV file that's already included in the zip download, so don't worry about that. What you're going to basically do then is pretty straightforward. You're going to run and execute it. You will see basically all your data that's in the file here. You're going to then see it chug out the equation for you for your AB coefficients for your y is equal to x squared plus x with the c-intercept coefficient value here. That way you can basically backtrack whatever you need to do with it for fitting anything that doesn't fit your linear equation. You'll also have the r squared value of how well it fits to that equation. Now if you take a quick look here at the graph, you'll see how well it fits. So now not only do you get the r squared, but you can graphically see, which makes things pretty straightforward. Hopefully this solves your issues when you're trying to do a regression that just doesn't seem to fit your linear equation. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.